Literally, like, almost my cat follows me everywhere. She's outside with me. I don't even know. My little brother's asleep, so thank goodness for that. But going a little. Come back outside now. If I can see where she is, then she'll probably follow me. And I also need to figure out where she went. Honestly, if I can't find her, I'm ending the video and literally posting it. Journey! Yeah, I think this is a fail. My cat was literally following me everywhere. If you guys haven't seen my beautiful journey, then that is the video where you get to see her, but I think this was a fail. No shoes. Don't care. Hey, Mom.
Your car?
Yep. Where has Churney gone? Where has Churney gone, Mom? I'm looking for her. Sorry, Churney. I didn't know Mom will call you a whore. She can't be no. Staring to the sun, everyone. I literally do not edit the video. I actually never do. So if I want to cut something out, I have to restart it, man. And I'm not lying, actually. No joke, for real. Turning into a 2-hour-long Where is My Journey? I mean minutes, I'm sorry. There's the glass. In here. Jenny! Where are you? No, she was out here. Oh. We're sorry, guys. It was a weird angle. Yeah, I'm definitely posting this and saying, where is my cat? Bye-bye.